Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. I got lucky this month. Is it March maybe? Because I just got my Glam Bag Plus. So this is crazy. March. Luck of the Irish. All right. So Glam Bag Plus is $28. You get 5 full-size products. You get to pick 3 out of the 5, which is fantastic. If you want to see what I got, let's check it out. Ooh, wait, I think that might be an add-on. So this, I believe, was a $3 add-on. It's a Detangling Comb. And I got this banana yellow because why not? And let's pull out the bag. Didn't want to come out. Oh, look at how cute. I like the colors, right? I think I added on 2 things. So here's one, but this is the bag. It's a drawstring type bag. Don't mind me and my one-handedness. And it says moves. Oh, power. Wait, what does it say? Bold moves only. Yes. Love these power statements. Do we have a card? Yes, power moves. And I don't think it's going to tell us anything, but some skincare duos. Good information, not what I wanted. Okay, so I think this was one of my picks. So if you are interested in Ipsy, I will leave a link down below in the comment section. I did do my glam bag, $13 a month. So you can check that out. Look at this packaging. It's like a chocolate bar, right? Defiance. Carmella Cosmetics. Pretty similar. Outer packaging. Oh, this is a nice neutral palette. Sorry for the glare. Yeah, you can see very neutral shades here. Got some shimmers. And this last color, Infinity, is not really giving any credit. Sorry. There we go. It's pretty. Very pretty. If you're in the need for a neutral. So we got a palette. Oh, we got Rich. Whoosh. Love the names. Okay, so this is a moisturizer, Cactus and Vitamin C. Yes. By Freck Beauty. Okay. I don't think I needed another moisturizer, so I doubt I picked this. This was probably Ipsy. I like the cold packaging right here because it keeps it nice and cold for the face. 1.7 ounces. I think that's pretty good. Ooh, this might have been my other add-on. A Farrah brush, medium angled shading brush. Take a look. Oh, I like that. You guys can see the angle on that. So I think this goes on the add-on pile. So far we got a palette, a moisturizer. That's another add-on, so we'll get to it. Ooh, heavy duty. This is Radiant Micellar Water Makeup Remover. It says it's in the refreshment, so I don't think I picked this. Almost 200 mLs, but it's micellar water. I'd give it a try. Let's see. So that's 3. And what is this? Soul Clean. Okay, so this kind of looks like it would be K-Beauty. Nope, Las Vegas, Nevada. But it's made in Korea. Yeah. I figured with Seoul there, you know, pun on words. Nice packaging though. What is it? Oh, it's a balancing cleanser. Okay. That might have been their pick too. Okay, this is the other one that I picked. Briogeo. Farewell Frizz. I think I got a sample a while back and it worked out pretty well. blow dry perfection. So this is 118 mLs, no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. Okay, sealed. No. Let's give it a whiff. Ooh, yes, I like that. Lightly scented. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 products. So we got some skincare right here, hair product, a palette, and a moisturizer. So 3 skincares. What do you guys think? I did add on this comb because you can hang it in the shower. So I like that. And the brush. I like the angled brushes. And here's the last add-on. I'm pretty sure they were $3. They didn't give me any information on my card, so I can't tell you. Is this the half caked? Yes. In Bloom, this is the blush soft serve, because a while back on BoxyCharm I got the other one, which was like a deep pink. So let's see what color this is. Ooh, it's very similar. It looks very pink, but pretty, very pretty. If you guys have tried this, let me know. So this is in Soft Serve. I love the name. All right, this is what I got for the month of March, and I think it was a pretty good bag. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is a nice geometric looking bag, and I think it was well worth it. Definitely the add-ons, so go check out the add-ons if you haven't. Some of them are so outstanding and worth it. All right, guys, that'll do it, and I will talk to you and see you in the next video. Stay safe, guys.